Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL OKT1. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now, as you can see from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards to your Google Pay account. From the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. Next, in settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization from Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you would be able to set up your contactless payment, but unfortunately it is not possible because this tab does not have NFC. Next, we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.